We're going to start the biopotential module, okay? Let's take a look. I'm going to try to relax. What do you think you see?
Your heart rate.
How do you know?
Up and down.
Which one is it, though? There's a lot of stuff on there, right? How do you know what's what? What's that? Oh, so you could tell by the shape of it, the QRS complex. So you've heard about EKG before, right? But if I do this, not so good, right? If I'm not such a good patient, right? If I'm doing this, it gets swamped out, right? I have to be very, very, very still. We're going to learn what the signal is and how to build a device to do it. All right, you can see that what we see here is that you have a wire connected to me. All right, we can unplug it so you can see what was going on here. Okay, here's the wire. Right, I always said every cable always has two wires, right? I told you that, right? And at the end of this is supposedly a sensor, right? But this time we'll talk about what that is. Then you have the cable, and then you have the instrument, right? We're going to talk about what's inside of this, but I'm going to tell you right now it is an instrumentation amplifier and a filter. And if I hadn't set those filter settings up right, things would actually not have looked as good. All right, and then the final bit of it is just the digitization and the visualization of it, which we'll get to later. All right, so I'm going to explain what you were just looking at, but I thought it'd be nice to start with a demo, okay?